Hello, hello. Today we have a fun product for you. It's the Potensic ATOM SE drone. The Potensic ATOM SE drone is a flying wonder of tech. This package comes with the drone a stunning carrying case, a controller, and 2 batteries. It's basically like giving yourself wings without having to learn how to flap them. The drone itself is so lightweight and compact, you'll wonder if it's about to join the local bird gang. But don't be fooled by its size. This little guy takes off like it's late for work. It zooms through the air with precision, dodging trees, and probably leaving squirrels questioning their life choices. The controller? It's so easy to use, even a lost penguin could fly this thing. Yet it still feels fancy enough that you might get mistaken for a NASA trainee while operating it. Now, with 2 batteries included in today's review package, you won't have to deal with that, "Oh no, it's dying," just when you're about to capture the perfect aerial shot of your backyard barbecue. It's like the Energizer Bunny, but cooler and with rotors. And let's talk about that carrying case. It's so sleek you might want to use it for all your valuables. Move over, Louis Vuitton. This case is the real MVP. All in all, this drone package has everything you need to become a master of the skies. If you're ready to feel like a pilot without all that annoying flight training stuff, grab this drone. I'm off to see if I can deliver pizza with it next.